My dream was not only to transform an island or create a destination, but was to actually have an impact that was environmentally correct.
Previous tenants weren't exactly kind to the environment.
It just metal all over the place.
We gotta get all out.
Probably the toughest project that I've ever had to do.
The job was to change the desert island to a green island.
There is a global problem facing reefs. There are reefs here. They're clearly in decline and suffering pretty severely. Let's try and do something about it. What we're doing here is we're seeing if we can regenerate it.
Our primary mission is to restore the natural underwater seascape of Ocean Cay.
What resources to protect, how to protect it, where to protect it.
We've been pushing this for about 5 years now, so it's really exciting to make it happen.
The things that we're looking to do will help us to build a brighter and better future for the environment around Ocean Cay.
We want to make sure that this is super safe and ready for our guests. This beach has to be exceptionally safe and exceptionally beautiful.
It's a no plastic island.
The ship is here! What a beauty!
It's just a spectacular place, totally phenomenal.
It's been a roller coaster ride.
This is something that has never been done before.
Everything that we did revolved around the environment. Everything was thought of to make sure that we could protect the oceans.